Have you ever wondered what's really happening inside your microwave when it heats up your food? Today, we're going to discover the amazing science behind how microwaves work. It's not magic, it's actually a really cool process that happens with invisible waves and tiny water molecules. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why your pizza gets hot in just a few minutes. Let's dive into the fascinating world of microwave cooking. Microwaves are actually a type of electromagnetic wave, just like radio waves or the light we can see, but our eyes can't detect them. These special waves are created by something called a magnetron inside your microwave oven. Think of microwaves like invisible energy beams that can pass through glass, plastic, and paper, but they get absorbed by water. The microwave oven was actually discovered by accident when a scientist noticed his chocolate bar melted while working with radar equipment. These waves vibrate at an incredibly fast speed, about 2.45 billion times per second. Every drop of water is made up of billions of tiny water molecules, and each one acts like a mini magnet with two different ends. One end of the water molecule has a positive charge, while the other end has a negative charge, kind of like the north and south poles of a magnet. This special property means water molecules can be pushed and pulled by electric fields, just like how magnets are attracted to metal. When these molecules are sitting still, they're randomly scattered around in all different directions. But when something affects them with energy, they start to move and rotate in predictable ways. When microwaves enter your food, they make all the water molecules start flipping back and forth really fast, billions of times every single second. Imagine trying to spin around that fast. You'd get dizzy and tired very quickly. The water molecules are doing exactly that, and all this rapid spinning creates friction, just like when you rub your hands together really fast to warm them up. This friction between the molecules is what actually creates the heat that warms up your food. The more water molecules in your food, the faster and hotter it will get heated up. Different foods heat up at different speeds in the microwave because they contain different amounts of water. Foods like soup, vegetables, and fresh fruits heat up super quickly because they're packed with water molecules that can absorb the microwave energy. Dry foods like crackers or bread heat up much more slowly because they don't have as many water molecules to absorb the waves. This is also why sometimes your food has hot spots and cold spots. The microwaves don't always spread evenly throughout the food. Areas with more moisture will always get hotter faster than drier areas. Your microwave oven is built like a metal box for a very important reason. The metal walls keep all the microwave energy trapped inside where it belongs. The microwaves bounce around inside the cooking chamber like a bouncy ball in a small room, hitting the food from all different angles. This bouncing action helps make sure the microwaves reach as much of your food as possible. The metal mesh on the door window has holes that are too small for microwaves to escape through, but big enough for light to pass through so you can see your food cooking. This design keeps you completely safe while the powerful energy waves do their work inside. Unlike a regular oven that heats food from the outside in, microwaves actually heat your food from the inside out. The microwave energy penetrates into the food and heats up all the water molecules throughout, not just on the surface. This is why microwave cooking is so much faster than using a conventional oven. Instead of waiting for heat to slowly travel from the outside to the center, the whole piece of food starts heating up at once. However, this also means that sometimes the inside of your food might be burning hot while the outside feels just warm. That's why it's always important to let microwave food sit for a moment and stir it if possible before eating. Here's something really cool. Microwaves aren't just found in your kitchen. They're actually all around us in nature and technology. Scientists use microwaves to study space, cell phone towers use them to send signals, and weather radar uses microwaves to track storms and precipitation. The same type of energy that heats your leftovers is helping meteorologists predict if it's going to rain tomorrow. When you use your microwave safely by keeping the door closed and not putting metal inside, you're using the same amazing technology that helps us communicate and explore the universe. God designed the laws of physics that make all of this incredible technology possible. What's the weirdest thing you've ever accidentally put in the microwave? Share your funny microwave mistakes in the comments below.